Previously on We Sail, we set out to adventure the beautiful island of Dominica. We hiked to the Caribbean's longest free-falling waterfall, celebrated with new friends at a pig roast on the beach, and toured the tranquil Indian River with our wonderful guide, Albert. This week, We Sail continues the fun in Portsmouth with more beach barbecues, shopping at local markets, and invading a floating water park. Join us before we sail to Guadeloup after helping our new friend Albert rebuild his home post-Hurricane Irma.
And watch it as they come and go, cause I know that someone knows this is the life for me. And whenever my ship sets sail, I'll be on the beach, watching through the water with the sand beneath my feet, so I can watch another sunrise. You know I can't deny, this is the life for me. The life.
Where are you going this morning?
Hey, going to work. Gotta punch that clock. Gonna go help out a guy that we met who's a local here and had his house destroyed last year. And he's a great dude, and he's gone through a number of serious things in his life, and he's working on his house, and I just mentioned that I used to build homes and if he could use a hand, and he said, actually, yeah, we're getting ready to pour concrete, and I know what that's like, so I'm gonna help him out for a couple days, at least a day.
Thanks, honey, babe.
Thanks, honey.
Sweet.
Where your energy's drained, you're feeling ashamed, you got nothing left to lose, yes, and I'll tell you a story. But I can see where you're going. Your heart's been broken now, but you got everything within, and I can see where you're going. You stumbled or you crumbled or you managed to push on through, and I can see where you're going. You're looking kinda thin, you better come right in, and I can see where you're going. Walk down to the river where the thoughts are so much clearer.
Well, Warren just got finished for the day, and I just got back from the beach myself, so I'm gonna head back to the beach, pick him up, give him a little beer because he worked so hard. So it was a good day.
Want to play on the outdoor water fun area? What is it called? What would you call it?
Floating water park.
We're going to play at the floating water park. It's gonna be awesome.
Don't make a sound.
You got the
2
key?
a.m. love, gotta keep it down. Don't wait around for a signal now. Give me some verb, I ain't talking now. You wanna ride in the 6, you wanna dine in the 6. But when I lean for the kiss, you said I'll probably send you some pics. And I'm like, hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Body on my, losing all my innocence, yeah. Body on my, finding all my innocence, yeah. Body on my, losing all my innocence, yeah. Body on my, finding all my innocence, yeah. Body on my, losing all my innocence, yeah. Body on my, finding all my innocence, yeah. Body on my, losing all my innocence, yeah. Body on my, finding all my innocence, yeah. Incidental. My bad, never got the memo that you never have fun.
I'm going to the market.
Saturday is the market day.
Fresh vegetables and fruits. I feel like they've been playing this music since last night. You could just hear it. Boom, boom, boom.
Can't think of anything now. found himself in a tight spot, so to speak. When we bought the boat, we had damaged one of the davits, which the dingus hangs on, and this broke off, so he's underneath trying to fix that. But on one of these davits here, basically, that little thing just popped right off. So before anything worse happens, he's right down in here. And I'm working so hard. Way back in there. Look at you. You tight ass you.
This is terrible.
Oh, babe. Well, thanks for getting that done.
Yeah, it's gotta get done.
I'll get you a beer when you're done.
Okay.
Okay.
You should see the lunch this girl is making.
Oh my god.
What is for lunch?
Well, the marlin that we caught, rice and beans, cilantro lime aioli with a little pico.
Wow.
Oh.
That is amazing, honey. Look at that.
No Vaseline needed.
Look at that. You.
Bon appetit.
Hey, what are we doing?
Going to the beach barbecue.
Sundays are for beach barbecuing here in Portsmouth, apparently.
Yes. The boat boys, Pays Boat Boys, puts on a barbecue every Sunday.
Yep.
All you can eat
And all you can drink rum punch. We bring our own cups, so we don't use any plastic. Captain and first mate.
That's me.
Yeah. She did so good ordering them. All right, let's go.
Babe, don't make a sound. 2 a.m. love, gotta keep it down. Don't wait around for a signal now. Give me some verb, I ain't talking now. You wanna ride in the 6, you wanna dine in the 6. But when I lean for the kiss, you said I'll probably send you some bits. And I'm like, hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my.
What is that? Is it a dolphin or whale? I don't know either. What are you? What's that? That is a whale. Was it? Can you see in the binocs? Oh my god.
Try and get over there.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my god!
What are those? What kind of whales?
Where's a big ass dolphin?
No, that's a whale.
Hey guys! Woo!
Hi!
Yeah!
What is that whale?
Babe,
There's
don't
another
make a
one.
sound.
Hey guys!
2 a.m. love, gotta keep it down.
Come here!
Don't wait around for a signal now. Give me some verb, I ain't talking now. You wanna ride in the 6, you wanna dine in the 6. But when I lean for the kiss, you said I'll probably send you some pics. And I'm like, hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, body on my,
Raise the jib.
losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, body on my,
Mainsail.
losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my,
Which is the light.
finding all my innocence. Yeah, on my,
Jib.
on my, on my, on my, yeah, on my.
Radar sail. Parasail. And then we have to drop that. Kind of tack back with that mainsail. And pull jib out. The day of sails. We got them all up. Except for the torn jib.
If things go wrong, it's just incidental. My bad, never got the memo.
I really
You
feel
never
like
have
all
fun
our
while you're
sales
in the
now,
limo.
except for that
Yeah,
song
you
jib,
wanna
which is
ride
the
in the
simplest
six.
jib to do.
You wanna dine in the six.
I need to learn
And when I lean for the kiss, you said I'll probably send you some pics. And I'm like, hell no, been waiting too long. Hell no,
Not much
I
wind
want
that
that
we're
cruel
getting.
love. Hell no, been waiting too long. Hell no,
Going to
I
another
want that
hour.
cruel love.
And we hear the same thing really cool.
We don't get another
Losing all my
flight
innocence, yeah, body in my. Counting on my innocence, yeah, body in my. Losing all my innocence, yeah, body in my.
Pretty there.
Counting on my innocence, yeah, body in my.
It's been hurt.
Losing all my innocence, yeah, body in my. Counting on my innocence, yeah, on my. On my, on my, on my innocence, yeah, on my. On my,
Can't believe how many times we went.
Little anchorage here.
Hey, babe.
What are you doing? What's going on?
Failed it.
What a field day. This is a beautiful spot here.
We're back in a French island at Guadeloup.
Guadeloup. We're in the Saints. Yeehaw.
Want to see more amazing music videos? The greatest dance hits all on one channel. Subscribe over here to Armada Music. Psst, subscribe over here to Armada Music.